Okay, everybody, here's today's barn find or garage find. 1985 Honda Elite CH150. The selling dealer was Barry, Rising Honda, Barry, Ontario. This has been under a cover in a guy's garage for a long time. Now, the fun part about this bike is check out the mileage. That's correct, only 9 original kilometers. The story on this bike is he was a vacuum cleaner salesman around 1985 and he won a sales contest. The prize of that contest was this very bike. And according to the original owner, all he ever did was ride it around the parking lot a few times, had some fun with it, put it in his garage, and 39 years later sold it to me. So now we're going to end up taking it out and see if we can get it going.